Hello, I am Dr. Sunandini, practicing as Senior Consultant Physician in Amor Hospitals, Kukatpalli, Hyderabad. Today we'll talk about seasonal influenza. Influenza means we commonly call it as common cold. It can be dreadful when it becomes pneumonia. Pneumonia is nothing but infection of the lung. Commonly it is spread by air or by environment or person to person. So it is presents as high-grade fever, cough, breathlessness, sometimes weakness. So commonly it is seen in elderly people, kids, pregnant women, and some patients with chronic illness. So if it can be diagnosed very early, antivirals will be of very use to reduce intensity of infection. Sometimes we use antibacterials when bacterial infection is seen. Usually, early medical attention can reduce complications of the disease. We even practice annual influenza vaccine to prevent infection rate. Thank you.
Amor Hospitals and Amor Cancer Center, Hyderabad.